Okay, here is the easy way to remove the background of your picture in Photoshop. So let's simply drop in a picture, so which we are going to remove the background. Anyway, this is the easy way. So all you gotta do is just follow the procedures. So that's easy way that you can be able to change the background of your picture easy way. So here, okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so let's put it right there. We are going to broaden the background. We have to go directly into a background because there are some background somewhere here. Okay, we are going to put a background there. Okay, let me drop in this one. Okay, so this is what we have right now. So just let's see the magic. Okay, so this is what we have. The next move is simply we are going to duplicate this thing like this. Okay, so we have to bring it like this so we can drop it here. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. So while you are on the picture right here, let me move this thing aside, this picture, let me move it out of the way. So we are going simply to do a small resization like this. So let's try to go direct into this tool. This tool called object selection tools. You select that and then you come here. We are going to draw in just like this. Okay, when we draw, the next move is simply to remove this one right here, just like that. Now we are done. Okay, there. So the other tip is simply to put a color balance like saturation like this. We can simply add a little bit of that and just like that. So now we are done. Okay, the next move, now we can simply do it like this or do anything. So the next move is simple, how we can duplicate it many times. Okay, so something like that. So if you are new to my channel, please try to subscribe or comment there. Thank you for watching. Bye.